For years, urban commuters, stylish professionals, and Gen Z riders have faced a brutal daily dilemma: deal with the stressful gridlock of a massive car, or ride a bulky, intimidating maxi-scooter that's a total nightmare to park. But Peugeot Motorcycles has officially unleashed the ultimate antidote to tight city streets by dropping the all-new Peugeot Django Compact. Welcome to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava, and today we are figuring out exactly who this chic, nimble two-wheeler is built for. The Django lineup has always been celebrated for its gorgeous, neo-retro French aesthetic, drawing heavy inspiration from Peugeot's legendary 1950s S55 scooter. But by shrinking the footprint into this ultra-nimble, user-friendly, compact architecture, Peugeot is making a highly strategic play for the modern metropolitan lifestyle. It's an aggressive challenge to standard, boring commuter bikes. Let's dive straight into the technical metrics and personal analysis to see if this compact cruiser fits your daily hustle. When you analyze the mechanical dimensions of the Django Compact, it becomes immediately clear that Peugeot engineered this machine from the ground up for absolute, stress-free usability. The engineering team significantly reduced the overall wheelbase and shed unnecessary weight compared to its larger siblings. This gives you a feather-light curb weight that makes weaving through tight alleyways, filtering between stopped cars, and pulling the bike up onto its center stand an absolute breeze. But the real game-changer for accessibility is the ultra-low seat height and optimized floorboard geometry. Whether you are a beginner rider, a shorter individual, or someone stepping onto a scooter for the very first time, you can easily plant both feet completely flat on the asphalt at every red light. Paired with highly responsive, small-diameter alloy wheels, the steering geometry delivers instant, razor-sharp turn-in. It turns chaotic, tight metropolitan environments into your personal, effortless playground. Let's talk about the visual footprint, because the Django Compact is a masterclass in elegant French industrial design. It beautifully retains the iconic, flowing vintage body lines, the signature Peugeot lion badge framed by a glowing LED light guide, and gorgeous pastel two-tone paint options. But don't let that classic, old-school charm fool you. This machine is packed with modern urban tech. Underneath that beautifully sculpted body sits a highly efficient, fuel-sipping 125 cubic centimeters or 150 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, mated to a perfectly tuned CVT automatic transmission. Just twist the throttle, and you get smooth, linear acceleration to zip away from traffic lights. For maximum safety on slick, rain-soaked cobblestones, Peugeot has integrated a robust braking system equipped with dual-channel ABS. Toss in a crisp digital dash display, a spacious underseat storage compartment for your helmet, and a handy USB charging port for your phone, and you have the perfect. So, let's deliver the ultimate tactical verdict. Who exactly should bypass standard public transport or clunky commuter bikes and keys to the Peugeot Django Compact? This machine is a beautifully tailored match for trend-conscious city professionals and student commuters who demand a highly fashionable, reliable daily driver that mirrors their personal style. It is an absolute goldmine for beginner riders and urban delivery hustlers who prioritize a low seat height, featherlight handling, and an incredibly forgiving power delivery that takes the anxiety out of heavy traffic. By blending an iconic vintage aesthetic with bulletproof modern safety tech and a hyper-maneuverable footprint, Peugeot has officially proven that the best way to conquer the modern city is to keep things beautifully compact. Silently smash that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now to stay ahead of the global automotive curve. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.